Hello and welcome to sixth lesson of web development course. We are in HTML and in this lesson of HTML we will learn about marking up texts. First of all, we have three kinds of marking up text. One of them is header, the second one is paragraph, and the other one is listing. In this lesson, I'm not using VS Code. In this lesson, I'm using Atom, not Atom, brackets, because bracket have a live preview. What we code in here, we can see it in here. Bracket is a free software, and I add the link to download this app in the description. The first one that we have in marking up text, it's header. We have 6 headers, h1 up to h6. The biggest one is h1 and the smallest one is h6. All headers that we see in the websites, they are either h1 or h6, but if their style is different, if their size is different, we can control them using CSS. In the next lessons, when we finish HTML, then we will learn CSS and we will learn how to style any text or any image or any other stuff that we need. Any other elements, we can easily customize it, customize the style using CSS. After header, we have paragraph. For paragraph, we have p tag. We have tag p. Let's add text in here. We go to libsum.com and generate one paragraph. We copy only one. Now we close this. In here we have header and we have paragraph. Let's delete the other headers and keep only one. And I want to keep h2. We have welcome to Zeytoon Tuts Plus, and we have a paragraph. Now the other marking up text that we can use is listing. We have two kinds of listing. One of them is ordered and one of them is unordered. For ordered, we use OL. We use OL and we can add in here our listing. The first listing that we have is first. Second. And we have third. We have added this and we have unordered list, but we can do that like this too, but I want to add another sub listing for third one. For this, I just enter and add UL. UL is for unordered list. After UL, we again need to add LI. LI in here, I write 1, 2, and 3. This is our listing that we have. But for ordered listing, we have many types. When we add type, we can have numbers, which type is 1 and the default is numbering. And we have capital letters and we have capital letters of Rumi letters, small letters of English and Rumi letters or Latin letters. Let's add for here the Rumi letters. And for this one, we have only a square, or we can have a circle, two kinds of circle. One of them is filled circle and one of them is empty circles. And this was all about marking up text that we have learned today. In the next lesson, we will see each other and we will learn more about the styling of these elements in CSS. Now I don't want to tell you about styling, more about styling, because HTML is structure. For styling, we use CSS. See you in the next lesson.